teaching a maths of NCERT class 8, exercise 3.3. So let's see question number 7. Here question number 7 is telling that the adjacent figure is a parallelogram. Find the angle measure x, y and z. State the properties you use to find it. Okay. In this parallelogram, okay, we have to find the value of x, y, z, and also we have to state which property has been used here. Okay. कौन-कौन सी properties यहाँ पे use हुए हैं वो हमें बताने हैं. Just look here. First of all, you have to find the value of x, y, z. Okay. X, y, z. How will you find the value of x? If you know it, there is a problem. Okay. So first of all हम क्या करते हैं? Just look here. These and these angles. These are linear pair. So first of all, let's find the value of linear pair. Okay. Means angle POH या HOP. Solution. Look here. Angle HOP plus angle PO. Write on here Q. Yeah, directly write on here 70 degree. Just don't put here. Just directly write on here 70 degree. Okay. हम directly यहाँ पे 70 degree करते हैं. Means that angle has 70 degree. E is equal to 180 degree. How? Can you tell me which property is being used here? That is linear pair. ये parallelogram की properties नहीं है. Which property is used here? Means how this is equal to 180 degree? कैसे हो 180 degree? Then by using linear pair. Okay. So now look here. HOP, this value of O is equal to 180 degree minus 20 degree is equal to 110 degree. इसकी वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 110 degree. HOP is equal to 110 degree. Now you know this angle is equal to this angle. You know how? Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Angle E is equal to angle HOP. कैसे equal है? Then opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles. Therefore, angle E is equal to HOP. And what is the value of angle HOP? That is 100 degree. HOP. So just look here. What is the value of E here? E is x. Therefore, x is equal to HOP. What is HOP? 110 degree. So this is the value of x. We have got the value of x. Now, angle E plus angle H. These are adjacent angles. Okay. Now, अब हम करेंगे x means angle E. X plus, just look here, angle E plus angle H is equal to 180 degree. How? कैसे? Adjacent angle. Which property is being used here? Then adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay. What is the value of E? X. X plus 40 plus Z. 40 degree plus Z is equal to 180 degree. Now look here. 40 plus Z. X. What is the value of X here? X की वैल्यू कितनी है? That is 110 degree. Plus 40 degree plus Z is equal to 180 degree. 110 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 150 degree. Got it? 150 degree plus Z is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, Z is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree is equal to 30 degree. This is the value of Z. Now we have to find the value of Y. Just look here. Since EP parallel to OH. EP OH का parallel है. Okay. And PH is a transversal. PH क्या है? Transversal है. Then what will happen? अगर ये transversal है, it means this angle EHP is equal to angle Y. How? Alternate interior angles. Okay, alternate interior angles से ये equal हो जाएगा. Write down here EHP, angle EHP is equal to angle HPO. Angle HPO means this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. How? Alternate interior angle. कैसे? तो alternate interior angles. Okay. What is the value of EHP? That is 40 degree. That 40 degree is equal to HPO means Y. Therefore, Y is equal to 40 degree. This is the value of Y. Means here, value of X is, it was given here 150 degree, value of Z is 30 degree and value of Y is 40 degree. This is the answer of your question number 7.